But it's very unfortunate. Said Dodo na 31st night. Omo baba on Tebeka A ne BC B ne BC no. Dodo na no e bosirimka.
Omo shada.
Nyesa shada e bosirimka.
Okay.
Waka bibi keke.
Okay.
Now omo media for na me nemo WhatsApp.
Okay.
Because omo anu anado. Omo yeah so many prophecies in rap. 2024, 31st now omo the same thing.
Yeah.
Omo the standing in number 1, number 2 up to 30. The other thing before say 31st night 2025. Nipa ne buy any prophecies no. Ye misa no say na dodo na o hye Hong Kong 2024 no. Ahe na buy.
Wow.
What I say?
Matias na.
The obi a ono enra. Okogina podium a oka say we be si. Ebi wa ya ayam hye. Ebi wo ha ebu abamu no. Ye misa no say na 31st night 2024. Dia wo keka baako 20 no. Ye hwehwe mu baako kura nsi. Se dey na chese dia wo ka ne ye besi.
E besi ayi si. Okay.
But omo ba bonte be keka nsam no saa. They twa 12 months no. Ebi nsi na wasan ba bonte bio. So the media should be able to play to them. Tika mo media house na kama ko 2024 31st night omo kan no. O say asumasi. Once my car, you can't born once and you could take 2025 there.
Okay.
They are born in Agos here. You say, and some kind in a lady about couldn't see it.
Okay.
Do Koyazam Sana, Unya 10%. That's what I feel.
A big crowd, dear Baku Crancy.
Say, oh, yes, so much.
Okay.
Say, the mechanic, your own Crawfordia man, at your muddy. Daddy. You are quite Marco, a numua, Unyanko Paso, and many people who that just.
Okay.
It didn't kind of your friend of prophet. Na prophecy no enyame ena be kan akire o say
okay
prophecy yemfa ifs ena but e mata ho bade me ga say
ebia
nka ho
okay
prophecy nyame na kan akire o say ka kire me ma no say ade we na ebesi onyame nim ne onim next year onim 1000 years me boa ti ade ebesi nyame hui ansa na all kan to because all kan say aspi anything all bo amade no nti nyankopon ekasa na ya prophecy yemfa ifs and a but e mata ho
wow
do ka say if we don't do this that will happen enya prophecy eyenkom say fufuro bi enya nyame de ma ho say what the prophecy to nche your vision say as a what to wani ko sign na wo hunu bibi Bisin biya so what they chere. To Bible mu a yes Cornelius na onyame yi bi chere ne say onko onyame ni babi nche na onko jesubo ena nyankopon ni babi so oha na nyankopon afa enam a jufo endi ya bono doa na ba eni bi se kumnam na di o se me yeju ni enam a ho ntimi ndi ene se na wo ne hwan a me ade a me nyango bate ho no wo se e honte when di ekoi e bai mprensa a bible say onyame difo yi endi ti ade a chi ana papa very early in the morning who say gentile Jewfo ne gentile omonka one na musafo nyina eba ene ti ono so nim se o gentile fo so de ye ntimi kura ngo Jewfo nchen to nyina kwantifi na all kan kire onyame difo ne say pepa wa cho nyankopon se no twaso na onyame ade kan yi a kire me
okay
and in the vision mu ohun enama yendi no enama yendi ade e ho ente ti na nyankopon de no age na ho ma gentile mama mu ni ana ho ente ti nyankopon se me mate mama ni hu ne me say bonasu awo ne ho ya wo say e ho ente ti wo vision po no e wana se kire
wow
ataso me ensa e dreams e da yeso onyankopon e fa da yeso e de yi no ma ensi ye den e kire ye
okay
and ade atoso bio ye friend say predictions and now forecasting.
Okay.
And no na ya na me forecasting is based on the position of the planets. So here they are 1 month. I can cast a friend say
1 month. Bosome baako.
Bosome baako. I can say Bosome ne sore na onantia. nananom ekan
okay
omunimu a kopinze bosome no ebekosumu na akoye bosome baako na bosome ni gusu a emuvu a ekọ no omunim bi esesi so we bible mu a yesi yewu Yesu no anyansafo bi ehun se Yesu no nsono ma pie ana omudi star na chi saa onto se omo bedu Yesu anim a omba be koto no nti nyankopon ade bo mu no ode nsono ma hodo agina bia enne ka da ake asem ede kire yen
okay
nti ye na yesua saa no ma ye wasa ade ma chede no ye hwe saa no no a na ya cho se we ne bi ni ama wo date ni ya body na si afia ye si mo ye 2025 menima de ye mejo Tennessee ya me ma mbobọ ho nsem anka bayaba ne maybe a few things be na amanfo entiase ye wo planet ahodo anyankopon abobọ a esense ewie mu a ebia ne influencer eba yen so ye kuyani na ensuo anto afemu ni nyina enam ensuo antonti no obia betimi aka akire wo se wo number no enye yie ana meboa
no correct
se si abonofo a omoye kasu omo nyina esu adan kasu empensuo
okay
eni nti ensuo gusu a eto ni nyina na kasu no pra na epro omo se ye tuntum to unya bakokwa na wafa do bibia na ono onim kasu na de bonti o ka se o afi kasu obi anya ka pre wo efi say ade bi na kire bibi eni nti no eye ya fi we fe 2026 no in the signs of numbers no number 1
2026
number 1 na in the signs of numbers no ye ka numbers ni the boom the 2026 the 2 plus 0 no 2
okay
plus 2 no 4 plus 6 no 10 10 no 1 0 the 1 plus 0 be ma 1
wow
the afi we ye gina mo no ye say number 1 the number 1 a o hwe nyankopon ade bo mu a abodi ahodo ewo nwie mu a ene na kire da nkwa ma asem no the gina ma number 1 no owia the sun. And into this year 2026 no it's being ruled by the sun.
Nti be area.
And into no sun ni rule ya. You the good side of the sun, you bad side of the sun. And into no ade ba kwa me few things me maka chiro this year number 1 ni gina leadership. E gina candy. So o man bi e betimi adi mpon atiwe mu ya man a omo good leaders.
Sir.
Yes. Because the year represent number one by the sun, and sun stands for leadership.
Okay.
And I had it. I feel way, and I'm saying the sun and the rule, you know. Ya dia ho do a ya bre ho apɛ ho aduru a yenya no. I feel we benya.
Wow.
You will understand say HIV ya dia eni aduru meboa.
No correct.
Onya bia you will know about man no man that wow on one day now boss trouble for us baby. This year 2026 I'm telling you say you benya HIV aduru.
Wow.
You make Mohana mechanic and you should write it down and
see.
Because I say a viral disease.
Aye.
And all the viral disease aduru. By 2026 market HIV aduru beba. Obi anum bia ontimi enya HNB.
Nana, whatever ma, ebe free yan ye be ye no ha.
It is going to be the world, and
okay.
You know, in fact, me and Gasa American, I feel so. Me translate true.
Okay.
Me will best about 100 focus. Remember, na normally no, o draw chart no. You are home fiber. You
okay.
You do my first. I take me time, you know, and you do my first. I will come out. Say the me na fibiano.
Okay.
One to the last point, and no man say expected. Obakaya Donald Trump. Na obedia konyana so na oluzu ye. From 2020 now, oluzu 2020, right? From that 2020, Donald Trump will come back. Na Joe Biden cry na or we catch say Joe Biden will not contest. Ayo ba na nebeba. Joe Biden Babontain be declare say omo contest. Me say papa we the tea enkoda panaso. 7 weeks to the time on the election na Joe Biden wedding. Withdraw.
Yeah.
E your ba no so in the game. And I said it say Donald Trump is going to win.
And power.
Then the winning a tie no. Omo Elon Musk o ma say nkwa no, ombe front of akase bi. And the guy say wo Israel. I said it. 2022. Israel for attack Iran for omo weapon side. Iran for a better retaliate. And then to akase e see wo Israel. April 2022. Israel for attack Iran for nuclear side.
Yeah.
Iran for and omkota Hamas echi and also go attack Israel and to kwesi. So when it comes to what we do, we believe in what we do because yeah more Muslim.
No correct.
But idea me the beche we tie for baako have to do with cryptocurrency. They baby we are saying ko you see and akoye digital money.
Yeah.
This year and yet very safe for people to save their money into cryptocurrency. Obibia no person saving the sika should be very careful because obe to me lose big money. Because stars and say even a Bitcoin the crown on ujale na so no. Obi tia ba form kese answer na wasan apajabiu. This year obibia person savings no the best thing is to save in gold. Who save sika with gold and that's a real metals real earth metals it is the best thing to do. But I said I make I feel we know number one is the sun is ruling and there are many points we are seeing adi but when it comes to investment now you'll be we invest in cryptocurrency you should be very careful. Or stock trading you should be very careful because 2026 is not a very good year for crypto investment. It is going to cost people will lose their life investment this year.
Okay.